Finish the eyes off with a coat of black mascara on your upper and lower lashes. For the lips, choose a bright, bold lipstick in a matte finish. Apply it directly to your lips or use a brush for more precise application. General tips. No matter which retro look you're going for, there are a few general tips that can help you achieve the perfect look. First, make sure you're using the right tools. You'll need a variety of brushes and sponges to apply your makeup correctly. Next, it's important to pay attention to your eyebrows. In the 1920s and 30s, eyebrows were often thin and highly arched, while in the 50s and 60s, they were thicker and more natural looking. Use an eyebrow pencil or powder to shape and fill in your eyebrows, taking care to match the color to your natural hair color. When it comes to eyeshadow, blending is key. Use a blending brush to soften any harsh lines and create a seamless transition between shades. And don't be afraid to experiment with color. Retro makeup looks often featured bright, bold shades that can really make a statement. False lashes can also be a great addition to any retro makeup look. In the 50s and 60s, false lashes were often used to create a dramatic, doe-eyed effect. Choose a set of natural-looking lashes and apply them carefully using tweezers and lash glue. Finally, don't forget to set your makeup in place with a setting spray or powder. This will help your makeup last all day and prevent any smudging or smearing. One important aspect of retro makeup is paying attention to the skin. In the past, a dewy, radiant complexion was highly sought after. To achieve this look, use a luminous primer or mix a liquid highlighter into your foundation. Apply a cream or liquid highlighter to the high points of your face, such as your cheekbones and bridge of your nose, to add extra radiance. Another key element of retro makeup is the use of bold, defined brows. In the 40s and 50s, brows were often thick and well-defined, while in the 60s, they were often more natural-looking but still well-groomed. To achieve a retro brow, use a brow pomade or powder to fill in any sparse areas and create a defined shape. Use a spoolie brush to comb the hairs into place. When it comes to eyeliner, there are several techniques you can use to achieve a retro look. In the 20s and 30s, a thin, dramatic line was often drawn along the upper lash line, while in the 50s and 60s, a winged eyeliner was popular. Use a liquid or gel eyeliner to create a precise line, and use tape or a stencil to create a winged effect. To finish off your retro makeup look, choose a lipstick that complements your overall look. In the 20s, deep reds and plums were popular, while the 50s saw the rise of bright, bold pinks and oranges. In the 60s, pastel shades like baby pink and coral were popular.